Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in. This links purchases and media to your account. Once done, back up the iPhone to iCloud or to a computer so you can undo mistakes. Make sure iOS is current, updates fix account and media bugs. Now open Settings and tap your name to access media and purchases. This is the gateway where you'll change payment, subscriptions, and download settings. You access media and purchases and choose View Account to update payment methods, credit, debit, Apple ID balance. When you edit payment info, Apple verifies the method. This prevents failed purchases later. Next, go to Subscriptions to cancel or change plans. Make sure to note renewal dates. Also adjust automatic downloads and mobile data options so media doesn't use unintended cellular data. These settings control how purchases sync and what downloads automatically appear on your device. You finish by signing out of media and purchases and signing back in to force a refresh. This resolves many sync glitches. Then test with a free app or a $0 item to confirm payment and download behavior. If a purchase fails, check Apple system status and your bank for declines, then restart the iPhone and retry. If problems persist, remove and re-add the payment method or contact Apple support. This isolates account versus device issues and gets you back to working purchases.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.